Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. I hope you've all been well. Well, I've been kind of okay as of late, but I'm feeling quite excited right at the minute. I have just received a surprise package from Sigma Beauty. I am just so humbled. Thank you so much, Sigma Beauty. I just haven't been or wasn't expecting for you to send me out another little PR box to review, and I'm really just yeah, anyway, I'm very excited and I'm very thankful, so thank you so much. And let's get into finding out what's in this little box. Well, it's not that small, but I suppose, you know, I've kind of just opened up the sides of the package because I knew it was going to take 10 years. I have no idea what's in this package. So came today by FedEx, and let's have a look. All right, okay, so it's looking like this. A chrome palette of sorts. Is it a palette? Is it an eyeshadow palette? I have no idea, honestly. No idea. I'm taking it out. So there we go. And there's nothing else in the box. I'll just put that aside. Oh, okay. Here we go. So it's a gold, rosy gold foliage with black. Ooh. That reminds me of something. Does it remind you of something? You know, when you scrape mascara on a piece of something and it looks like mascara slashings, but I have no idea. All right, let's go ahead and open it. All right, whoops. Okay, so it opens up on the side like this. It's, yep, Instant Lash Extension Effect Mascara. Okay, so before and after, and let's see, I don't want to drop anything, so I'm just kind of opening up this flap here. Lash Icon Lengthening and Volumizing Tubing Mascara. Okay. All right, so this is the Lash Icon card. And from the look of it, looks like it's going to be a silicone wand, and you guys might or may not know how I feel about silicone wands. I'm not really a huge fan because I find that they stab you in the eye and kind of like poke you in the eye and want to kill your eye. And I like the softer natural bristles that come with a normal mascara. So I'm a little bit worried already, but listen, I have so many tubing mascaras anyway. It doesn't mean that I'll never stop buying them. It's just that I prefer a normal brush over a silicone brush. But anyway, let's have a look at the back of the card. This is the back of the card here. Just going to read it. Wrap every lash in weightless tubes for iconic length, buildable volume, and all-day smudge-proof wear. What it is: iconic tubing technology coats lashes in a lightweight tube to extend beyond their natural length for instantly longer-looking lashes. Why you'll love it. Easy, gentle removal with just warm water. Clump, flake, and smudge resistant. Unique double-sided wand. Easily defines lower lashes, adds eye-opening dimension. So it's kind of got like a little slit in between the brush. Let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, so I just have to laugh though. This massive packaging for a tube of mascara. Oh boy, oh boy. I mean, look. What can you do? It's marketing, right? It's marketing. And volumizes and lifts, lengthens and defines, curls and separates. So I'm just going to close this box up, and we will dispose of that thoughtfully, obviously. But this is the tube of mascara. It's in a gold mascara tube with the words Lash Icon and Sigma. Okay, so we're going to try this mascara. Obviously, I don't have any makeup on my face today whatsoever. I am wearing my glasses today. I will take them off. I have already just brought down a mirror. Look how filthy it is. Oh my goodness, I will have to wipe that down. But I will go ahead and apply this tubing mascara to the lashes. But before I do that, this is what it looks like. I'm not sure if that's in focus. I hope it is. And taking my glasses off. Zoom you guys in. I'm looking down into a mirror here. So let's have a look and see. So it's kind of got like 1, 2, 3. It's kind of like got the brush is spiky all the way across it. There's gaps in between the spikes. So, but it's like a curve, so that also it's like a curling mascara as well, because a lot of the ones that have curves actually curl the lashes. I'm just dipping back in again because, you know. Alright, here we go. Going to, I hope you guys can see this, but I'm wiggling the brush across and I'm applying it on the flat side, not the curved side, because that's how I usually do it. I've already made a mess, but that's okay, we'll clean it up. Okay. So that's like one coat of the black mascara there. And that's nothing. So I'm just going to put my mirror down. I'm going to dip back into the tube. Grab a bit more. And I'm going to do a second coat. And when it dries, I'm going to clean off the markings of mascara that I've got on my lids. So far no stabbing of the eye, guys, has happened, and I am putting it relatively close to the roots of my lashes. Okay, so that's 2 coats. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the other eye, and then I want to see how it applies after it's sort of dried down a bit with a third coat. 1 coat. Okay, I'm going to go ahead now. I'm just going to leave it as 1 coat. I'm going to go ahead and put a third coat on this eye. So far, so good. I like the blackness of this mascara as well. And I would say that this mascara is the kind of mascara that would give you the spider lash effect. If you're not really into that type of look, you may not actually be a fan of the spider look, but that's how it's turning out for me. And I don't mind that. I like that separated sort of clumpy, spidery effect with lashes. I think it looks really nice. And this is the 4th coat, and we're going to just put a coating of that on the bottom lashes. So I am finding that the mascara is kind of clumping on the bottom lashes. I didn't re-dip my mascara into the tube. I will do it for the bottom lashes here just to see if it does clump, but I think because it dried out a little bit. But in terms of in terms of the actual look of the lashes, I'm really happy with it. And what I'm also kind of impressed with is the fact that it's not stabbing my eyes. So I'm going to go ahead and apply now mascara, second coat to this lash, which has relatively dried down more now, but it's still going through. Or word of caution, I would apply all your coats one after the other. I wouldn't leave them to dry, because I left this one actually longer than the first eye, and it's a little bit more difficult to apply the coat, so don't let it dry in between coats. Third coat, and I'm going to now dip my wand back into the tube and coat the lower bottom lash. Yep, that's better. Less clumping effect if you dip back in, although it still does give you the clumping fiber look, but it's not as drying. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean my lids, because I've got mascara always on the top of the lid there, down the bottom, and I will be back. So I'm back, and I just tried basically to clean up the little mess that I had going on my upper eyelids. And what can I say about this mascara? Well, I'm very pleased to have received it. Am I going to continue using it? You betcha. Absolutely I will. I'm going to see how it wears throughout the end of the day. The time at the moment is almost 1 p.m. I'm actually meeting a friend for coffee at 2. So I'm not going to be putting on any contacts. I am going to be putting on my spectacles, my glasses again, because I just haven't really been wearing my contact lenses as of late. So let's put them on with the glasses, and oh yes, they're looking quite lovely with the glasses on as well. My eyes are looking wider and brighter. So this is the Icon Mascara by Sigma Beauty, and I'm loving it already. So we're going to see how it goes. Like I said, I do find a lot of the times with tubing mascaras that they don't tend to flake, so fingers crossed this is going to be another winner. And I will probably so what I will do is I will report back actually after the end of the day, or even just maybe before 5 p.m. to let you guys know how this wore on. And please let me know in the comments below, have you tried this mascara by Sigma Beauty? What are your thoughts about it? Are you going to pick it up? Yeah, it's called the Lash Icon. And on that note, guys, I just wanted to say again, thank you so much to Sigma Beauty for sending me out this little gift. I absolutely am so humbled and really, really appreciate it. And from the bottom of my heart, thank you so, so much. I love you guys. And I absolutely love your products, of course. And your brushes. My love affair is with your brushes. Anyway, have a good rest of the day or night wherever you guys are. Bye for now. Hey everyone, I'm back. Well, I just wanted to let you guys know how I went with the mascara. No flaking. Still looks exactly like how I applied it 4 hours ago. So I'm really impressed. And I love the fact that, you know, it really does look like the spidery lash effect, which is really what I like. I do love that clumpy kind of look when it comes to lashes. And all I can say, guys, is yeah, thank you for watching this video and seeing the effect of how it looks. I mean, I've got curled lashes on the end there, but that's lately my lashes have been curling on the ends there, which is so weird. I don't use any lash curl or anything like that. I mean, these flakes were kind of here even when I sort of cleaned my upper eyelids before. So they kind of haven't moved around or anything like that, which is kind of good. But yeah, I like this mascara. I'll continue to use it. And I have to say, it looks fantastic under glasses. So, winner.